This is reviews of WYBOT WY450 Robotic Pool Cleaner, WYBOT App Control Robotic Pool Cleaner with Smart Route Planning, Wall Climbing, Spot Cleaning, Double Filters. Pool Vacuum Robot with Super Powerful Suction, ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The WYBOT WY450 is a robotic pool cleaner that is designed to clean in-ground pools up to 50 feet long. It features a powerful suction system that can remove dirt, debris, and algae from the floor, walls, and waterline of your pool. The WY450 also has a dual filter system that traps fine particles and leaves your pool water crystal clear. The WY450 is easy to use. Simply plug it into an outlet near your pool and place it in the water. The WY450 will then start cleaning your pool automatically. It uses a smart route planning algorithm to ensure that it cleans every part of your pool evenly. The WY450 also has a timer so you can set it to clean your pool at a specific time each day. The WY450 is a versatile cleaner that can be used on all types of in-ground pools, including concrete, fiberglass, and vinyl pools. It is also self-contained, so there is no need to drag a hose or power cord around your pool. Here are some of the pros and cons of the WYBOT WY450 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Pros: Powerful suction system, dual filter system, smart route planning algorithm, timer, versatile, self-contained. Cons: can be noisy, may not be suitable for large or complex pools. The price is quite expensive. Overall, the WYBOT WY450 is a great robotic pool cleaner for homeowners who want a powerful and easy-to-use cleaner that will keep their pool clean and sparkling. If you are looking for a powerful and easy-to-use robotic pool cleaner, the WYBOT WY450 is a great option. It is a bit pricey, but it is worth the investment if you want a cleaner that will keep your pool clean and sparkling all summer long. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.